Hello everyone, and welcome to Weight Loss Benefits. In this video, we'll be discussing healthy eating habits that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being, and it all starts with what you eat. By incorporating healthy eating habits into your lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Start with a balanced diet. One of the most important healthy eating habits to adopt is to start with a balanced diet. This means consuming a variety of foods from all the food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This ensures that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally, while also keeping you full and satisfied. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, and are often low in essential nutrients. To reach your weight loss goals, it's important to avoid or minimize processed foods as much as possible. Instead, choose whole, minimally processed foods that are rich in nutrients. Practice portion control. Even if you're eating healthy foods, consuming too much can still lead to weight gain. To avoid this, it's important to practice portion control. This means eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day, and being mindful of how much you're eating. Eat mindfully. Eating mindfully means being fully present while eating and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This helps you eat only when you're hungry and stop when you're full, which can help prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight loss. Drinking water before meals can help reduce calorie intake, and staying hydrated can also help boost your metabolism and energy levels. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier food choices, save time, and reduce stress. Make a grocery list and prepare healthy snacks and meals in advance, so you always have something healthy to eat when you're hungry. Be patient and consistent. Remember, healthy eating habits take time to develop. Be patient and consistent, and don't give up if you slip up or make a mistake. Consistently practicing healthy eating habits over time can help you reach your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for life. There you have it, Weight Loss Benefits viewers. By incorporating these healthy eating habits into your lifestyle, you can reach your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember to start with a balanced diet. Avoid processed foods. Practice portion control. Eat mindfully. Stay hydrated. Plan your meals. And be patient and consistent. Share your experience in the comments. It will be very interesting to read. I also recommend you to watch other videos on my channel. Links are on the screen now. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.